Imagine, just for a moment, that you possess a secret power. Not the kind that requires a cape or the ability to fly, but something far more profound and personal. It's a power woven into the very fabric of your being, hidden in plain sight, waiting for the right moment to be unleashed. Today, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into the magic within you. Yes, you heard that right, and how you can activate this incredible energy to transform your everyday life. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you might just find yourself a step closer to being your own kind of superhero. Let's kick things off with a little experiment, shall we? Try to remember the last time you felt a sudden burst of inspiration, a surge of creativity, or a profound sense of peace. Can you recall that feeling? Good. Believe it or not, what you just remembered is the spark of your inner magic. This isn't the type of magic involving wands or spells. Rather, it's about tapping into an energy so potent that it can literally shape your reality. The concept of inner energy, often described in various cultures as Chi, Prana, or even Aura, isn't as mystical as it sounds. In fact, it's grounded in both spiritual practices and increasingly, scientific inquiry. This energy is a vital force, a breath of life that moves through us, connects us to the universe and to each other. And the best part, activating this energy can lead to extraordinary changes in your life, both physically and mentally. Now, let's get down to business. How do you unlock this mystical power? Understanding that it's all about balance is key. Imagine trying to walk a tightrope while juggling flaming torches. Sounds challenging, right? Well, maintaining the balance of your inner energy can sometimes feel just as precarious, though fortunately, it comes with less risk of getting burned. One of the simplest and most profound gateways to enhancing your inner magic is through meditation. Yes, sitting quietly might seem like you're just, well, sitting quietly, but what's happening inside you during this time is nothing short of magical. Meditation helps align your energy centers, known as chakras, clearing out the mental clutter and amplifying your natural magical abilities. And by magic, I mean your innate ability to positively influence and shape your environment. But why not add a little flavor to the mix? Have you ever tried laughter yoga? It combines laughter with traditional yoga poses and is exactly as fun as it sounds. You might be wondering if it's a serious exercise, but while it feels lighthearted, the benefits are substantial. Laughter yoga reduces stress, enhances oxygen intake, increases energy levels, and honestly, when was the last time you had a workout that made you laugh? Exploring further into the realm of energy, visualization is a powerful technique. This isn't about simple daydreaming. It's about actively constricting your reality with focused intention. Think of it as using your mind's eye to sculpt the very essence of the cosmos. Want to nail that job interview? Visualize yourself doing it with confidence. Hoping to enhance your relationships, picture them thriving and full of happiness. Activating your inner magic is more of a journey than a one-time event. It requires practice, patience, and a bit of perseverance. Remember, even iconic wizards and witches from our favorite stories didn't master their spells overnight. And yes, I'm giving you permission to feel like Harry Potter or Hermione Granger. Because why not add a bit of fantastical flair to your magical training? Now, let's not underestimate the power of nature in this magical equation. Have you ever felt an undeniable uplift after a walk in the park or a day spent by the ocean? That's you, tapping into the Earth's natural energy, realigning your inner power with the rhythm of the natural world. It's like syncing your personal energy with the ultimate power source, Mother Nature herself. If you're still feeling skeptical about all this talk of energy and magic, let's bring in the concept of the placebo effect. This fascinating psychological phenomenon demonstrates the incredible power of belief. When individuals believe they are receiving effective medical treatment, even if it's just a sugar pill, they often experience real improvements in their health. This is a testament to the power of belief and expectation. Further proof that the mind and body are extraordinarily connected through the energy we harness and cultivate. And there we have it, a deep dive into unlocking the magic within you. The key to this magical kingdom isn't hidden in some mystical artifact. It lies within you, in your daily practices, your beliefs, and your willingness to embrace the unknown. So go ahead, experiment with meditation, play around with visualization, laugh a little or a lot, and most importantly, connect with the natural world. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I hope you feel inspired, maybe even excited, to start activating your inner magic today. Who knows, perhaps you're just one laugh or one meditation session away from tapping into your boundless potential. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the most magical journey is the one that leads you back to yourself.